Haven't seen you in a while. So what have I been up to and why is the channel coming back? It's been about a year since I last posted, and well, a lot has changed. Like no more Honda Supermoto, and my new to me 2012 KTM 990 Adventure, which is a bike that I flew one way all the way to San Francisco, ended up riding 1,000 miles down to PCH, and of course a hotel stay, all the way home. You got this, there's even Taco Bell. Motorcycle, there's Taco Bell, we gotta make it! Definitely ran out of gas. And quite frankly, I think the colors match pretty well. But this bike is a story for another day, and I keep crashing this bike. Ugh. And as for the 690, well, you can consider 30 plus track days, 11 different tracks, 5 different states, and well, I'm running slicks now. But besides the tires and well, what I feel like is gallons of oil, this bike has remained as you've seen it. Basic maintenance, but it's been awesome. But despite all this happening, it just felt to me like this channel was starting to become work. Let me explain. It all started last year when I was invited to EICMA in Las Vegas to create content, show off the show, and well, stay in a really creepy hotel. It's beautiful. Holy shit. Wow. What kind of... What are we doing? Look at the placement of these mirrors. Why is this like a Pulp Fiction fucking horror show in here? Good Lord. But I remember standing on the floor of the show looking at all the beautiful bikes and all the vendors, and it just occurred to me that this felt more like work than it did, well, my passion. You see, the purpose of this channel for me is not to become a full-time content creator, not to sit down and stare at the analytics and do whatever I need to do that's trending right now to be top of mind for all of the motorcycle industry. This is my fun. This is what I enjoy to do, and this is what I want to do in my free time as my hobby, which is more and more hobbies are dying. I gave this hobby up for more work, taking on a second job and trying to earn as much as I can. So I let a lot of that work come into the channel. I got tired of some of the videos that I was posting. I was running out of ideas, and every time I was going to make a video, it just felt like all right, fine, I gotta do it. I gotta post it by Friday. It's Wednesday and I have no idea what I'm gonna create. And it just got to the point where I wasn't having fun anymore. Now, in bringing the channel back, it's not gonna be consistent, and I'm gonna keep doing what I wanna do and try not to fall into that, I need the numbers, I need the algorithm, I need to make money, and really kind of focus more on the fun aspect, because motorcycles should be fun. And I want to give all of you credit for, well, reaching out, for commenting, for pushing me to kind of come back. And I'm doing it for you, because I appreciate you guys and all the questions and the love and the responses that I get still on my videos today. And I hope that I can help you out with either a 690 now, a 990 Adventure, and anything in the future. So then, what does that mean for the channel, and why is it coming back? Because there's still room in this garage for one more bike.